Hey, what's up guys? So here we are with another little video for you guys, my buddies, my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing, you know. And here we go with another little video. So let's get started. Let's get right into it, guys. First of all, for you know, my buddies on YouTube and stuff, sorry I haven't been checking out your videos and stuff, guys. I had recently gotten my my phone stolen, and you know, it took me a while to get another one and get the channel running again. So here we are. So I just wanted to tell you guys that, and let's get straight into the video. So these are some cars my brother bought for me. We were at Walmart, and he told me if I wanted some cars, and I was like, okay, hell yeah. So we went to the back where the toys are and stuff, and I got some cars, not that many. It was the dump bin and had a bunch of cars there, just repeats and stuff. But I did find this twin mill there, nice twin mill in blue. I've been looking for the red one. Hopefully I can get the red one somehow, somewhere. But twin mill, the blue one, pretty sweet. I love the twin mills, one of my favorite fantasy castings. But here it is, pretty sweet, very cool. Says best on track there. So sweet piece to find at the Walmart. So yeah, sweet piece. Check it out. So that's the first one. Here's the second one. Second one I got. It's the Skyline, 82 Skyline, Nissan Skyline on R30. Sweet piece, very cool. So I grabbed it when I saw this one. It was this one, and I saw another one. The cart wasn't in that great shape, so I got this one. So yeah, factory fresh, sweet piece. I've been looking for an old school Skyline. Like, I know everybody's been getting all those other older ones and stuff, but I found this one, so I snatched it up, and here it is. It's a sweet piece. I'm very happy to have found it. So there it is, guys, the Skyline. Very cool, new for 2018. So sweet piece. This next one here, the Mustang, custom 2015 Ford Mustang. It just says 15 there. You guys can see it. The then and now. So I guess there's an older one of it. Fresh. That purple paint is beautiful. It's some really nice looking purple. It's gorgeous. It's a good looking color. So there we are with that. The light's hitting it. I don't know how I can move it, but there it is. Very cool car. Very nice. I'm using a new phone, guys, so I don't know if it's gonna look a little different or whatever, but there it is. Super sweet piece. So yeah, thank you, brother, for getting me this cars, brother. I love I love you, brother. And this one right here, it's a sweet little piece. 70 Chevelle Super Sport wagon. Sweet piece, very cool. It's very different. When I saw it, I was like, oh, that's nice. You know, Hot Wheels with the wagons, and you know, those different color wheels and stuff. Like, it's just different looking. It's a cool piece for sure. Hot Wheels Daredevils, 1 of 15. So sweet pieces, very cool. Little pieces I grabbed. I was going through the bin, and I mean, these were the ones that I actually liked, and there was a bunch more, but you know, these are the ones that I chose. And so those are the cars I got, guys. And I do a little extra little thing here. I don't know if you guys remember my friend Buddy and Barbie. They had given me an REOK, some cars, in a past video, and they bought me a GoPro. they gave me a GoPro. They were like, hopefully you can make some better videos with it and get a little bit more views. So they got me a GoPro. Pretty sweet. It has that cover for underwater and stuff. Sweet little piece. And hopefully in the future I can make better quality videos with it, guys. And thank you, Barbie and Buddy. Thank you for the GoPro. This is awesome. You know, so I still need to, you know, fidget with it and you know how it works, and but I'll try my best to, you know, get something going with it. So thank you for that. This is sweet, very, very cool. Thank you for it. So yeah, guys, that's the video. A short little video. So thank you for watching, guys. Comment, subscribe, you know, ring that little bell, and like the videos. Like the videos for me. It will help me a lot. And you guys take care, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. You guys take care. Laters.